In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a OneDrive folder. OneDrive is an essential tool in today's digital landscape, helping you store, access, and share files seamlessly across devices. It's a reliable service that not only ensures your data is backed up but also allows you to collaborate effortlessly with colleagues, friends, or family. Whether you're working on a team project, planning an event, or simply need to share some files quickly, learning how to create and share folders on OneDrive is a skill that will enhance your productivity significantly. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to OneDrive. You can do this through your web browser. Just type in the OneDrive URL, and you'll be prompted to sign in. Use your Microsoft account credentials, and you'll land on the OneDrive homepage. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a clean, organized dashboard with all your existing files and folders. This is your central hub for managing your cloud storage. The next step is creating a new folder. Look towards the upper left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find the option labeled New. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options listed, you'll see Folder. Go ahead and click on that. You're now presented with a prompt to give your new folder a name. Think about what files you'll be storing there and choose a name that accurately reflects the contents. Once you've decided, type it in and hit Create. You've just made your new folder, and it should now appear in your list of files and folders. Now, with the folder created, let's move on to sharing it. Find the folder you just created by browsing through your list. Hover over it, and on the right side, you'll notice a small circle indicating Show Actions. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From here, select Share. You'll be greeted with a sharing dialog box that gives you several options. This is where you can specify with whom and how you want to share the folder. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with. OneDrive provides you the option to craft a personalized message, which can add context or details about the contents of the folder you're sharing. Also, keep an eye out for the permission settings. You can decide whether those you're sharing with can edit the files or if they'd only have view access. Once you've configured these settings to your liking, simply click on Send. The recipients will receive an email with a link to access the folder. And there you have it. You've now successfully created and shared a OneDrive folder. This process not only makes file sharing more manageable but also enhances collaboration, making sure everyone stays on the same page, quite literally. With these steps, you can ensure your data is handled efficiently, securely, and accessibly. Happy sharing, and see you in the next video.